Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I am going to show you how to apply a pocket design and let you know that any of our designs, any of our ColorSplash Ultra Ready to Apply transfers in any of our designs can be made into an extra small, which is perfect for a pocket design. All right, and they are up to 4 inches. This one we are going to show you how to apply. Now, you can use a t-shirt ruler, but it doesn't really identify where you need to place your pocket design. So let me show you a little trick. A lot of people will grab and they will fold down this line. The problem with that is you have 2 pieces of material, and whenever you go to press it, it may have wrinkles in it. So let me show you a very easy way to do this. So you're going to come from this and draw an imaginary line down, and you want to, your 4 fingers from here. So you want to go anywhere from right about here, and you want the middle of your design, okay? So with that being said, a lot of people like to pinch the top and the bottom. Just pinch it just a little bit. So we're going to draw our line and come down. All right. And at least 4 fingers. That way anywhere from 3 to 4 inches. And all right, and so I want to press it right there. So now that I have my collar up here, this is going to hinder this press. So I'm going to need a pressing pillow. And you can either slide it in or you can put it on the back side, whichever one you prefer. I like to in the middle, so that way I know now everything on my press is going to be up. All right, so let me go ahead and adjust this heat press for this seam pillow. Okay, so now that I have pre-pressed my garment, measure for my alignment. Okay. All right, and I am going to lay over my non-stick sheet on there, and I am going to press our ColorSplash Ready to Apply, or pressed at 285 for 15 seconds with a cold peel. All right. And now we are going to let this get cold. It's going to take a few minutes or a few seconds because you have your pressing pillow, which keeps that heat in, and you just want to make sure that it is cool to the touch before you pull it off, and then you will repress for 5 seconds. So now that it is cool, I am going to peel this, and then I am going to repress it with a non-stick sheet for 5 seconds. And everything is applied perfectly on your pocket design. And if you have any questions about this video, you can comment below and I'll be glad to answer them for you. And I will link for our ColorSplash Ultra transfers, ready to apply transfers. They can be applied to any color and any fabric. Cotton, poly blends, cotton 100%. So like I said, if you have any comments or questions, comment below and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thanks.